She's gone from item girl to being the most eligible bachelorette, making waves in the history of television. Rakhi Sawant seems to court controversy with every move. But what effect has this latest splash of limelight had on her brand value? Nikhil Sinha finds out.
ये लैला जो है एक मजनू के इंतजार में है कि कब वो मजनू आएगा और कब मेरा वीडियो बनेगा.
Love her or hate her, you can't ignore her.
Get down.
Rakhi Sawant burst onto the scene with a string of item numbers, then Bigg Boss, Nach Baliye, and the latest feather in her cap, the success of NDTV's Rakhi Ka Swayamvar, where item girl tried to turn Sati Savitri. The question really remains, what has Rakhi Ki Swayamvar done for Rakhi's brand then?
Rakhi has always been seen as someone who was at some level a lust object, something that was a bit shady, something that was a bit down market as far as that's why most brands would not touch her. I think marrying into the great Indian family marriage concept, I mean, it does not get more traditional than that. So I think what it does is that it takes her from being someone who the rickshawala in the small towns really liked to being someone who is acceptable to a larger, demographic.
The only mainstream product that Rakhi has been associated with is ITC's Minto Fresh in 2007.
That means?
That was not really an endorsement. It has been described as a casting decision.
Cool green. Wow.
We wanted one sexy chick, to put it very bluntly, and here was one who seemed to have a semi-celebrity status. And we said, fine, it'll add a little interest, it'll add a little intrigue in a certain role that she was playing. She had nothing to do with the brand. She was just playing one character in one commercial of an ongoing campaign.
So is this new improved Rakhi going to be the belle of the endorsements ball? Are we going to see Rakhi endorsing more mainstream products anytime soon?
Will a bank ever even think of getting Rakhi on board, even as a as a tree on the side? Definitely not. Nobody around that space which is called serious.
Whichever brand of underwear is saying, "Ye to bada toying hai," I'm sure she will make a very good brand ambassador there. But I don't know if there's a future in that line of work.
So the question really is, what has Rakhi Ka Swayamvar done for Rakhi in terms of personal brand value? There is little likelihood of brand managers queuing up to sign up Rakhi.
मैं मिंटो फ्रेश की ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ, मुझ पे ऐड की गई है, तो उसका कलर ग्रीन है, तो मुझे ग्रीन हरियाली की तरह मिंटो फ्रेश खाओ और ताजे हो जाओ.
So has this latest bit of sensationalism just created another short-term spike in Rakhi's popularity?
I think this was another inflection point, and a big one at that. That way it was fantastic for brand Rakhi, if I may say. So what should therefore enhance on the monetization process if you were to do some monetization for brand Rakhi? Well, her stage appearance, her gigs.
बहुत हो गया, सबने आपको बोल दिया शादी कर लो, शादी कर लो, शादी कर लो.
जी.
तो मैं आ गई हूँ. चलो. इंडस्ट्री में लोग कोहिनूर के बारे में बात करते. मैं राखी सावंत सिर्फ सलमान के लिए कोहिनूर हीरा लाई हूँ.
Her appearances, everything. I mean, that she does as entertainer. It will only increase.
So that's mixed news for Rakhi, but I guess that's the way it is in showbiz. And for Rakhi, it's going to be more show and less biz, I'm afraid.
The consensus here is that while RK has created a buzz, it hasn't really done that much for Rakhi's brand value. Almost getting married on television can do a lot, but it won't get you a ticket in the brand wagon.